We are thrilled to welcome each one of you to the much awaited Sports Day event. I, Shivika,
And I, Dhairya,
will be your host today. We are all here to appreciate and encourage the spirit of sportsmanship and excellence displayed by our talented athletes.
for good physical fitness and strength, sport is an integral part of life. Sports make our life interesting, teach us to work hard, and push our limits to reach a new high. Sports teach discipline, respect, friendship, leadership, resilience, teamwork, and overcoming adversity. It is a crucial part of a student's growth and development.
In the presence of a
जय श्रीमान स्पोर्ट्स मीट पे 50 एनसीसी कैडेट्स 60 स्काउटिंग गाइड टोटल 110 कैडेट्स हाजिर परेड को मार्च करने की अनुमति चाहते श्रीमान जय श्रीमान